Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today I got 4 big boxes, but they are not heavy at all, because in them are more of these. I get asked a lot about those boxes, where I bought them from, and yeah, everything. And I got some things to say about them, of course. So let's unbox and show you. These are the Iris drop front boxes. They have another name now, as well as Iris, like Himalaya or something. I don't know, but you will see it in the description. I will try to name them as specific as possible. I ordered these from Amazon. A friend of mine was the retailer for these in Sweden a couple of years ago, and I don't think I bought any from him. And then for a while I was thinking and planning about how many boxes I should order. And while I did that, the boxes just kept on getting more and more expensive. As with everything else that I don't impulse buy right away. Everything I wait for only gets more and more expensive with time. So these are, let's see if we have a name here. No, only clear. Iris drop front boxes, with another name as well, are from the Container Store. And these were the first plastic boxes made for shoes with this front opening. All other plastic boxes that we used to have our shoes in, you had to take off the lid, just like a shoebox. So when you stack them over each other, that wasn't so ultimate. And these boxes are absolutely not the best. And I'm gonna get more into that later. Like this one is not installed correctly. But one thing that is good with these, if you order many, is that these come, as you see them now, they come already built together. All the other boxes, I think, you need to build them yourself. And fine, if you order 10 boxes, that's okay. But the last time I ordered 600 boxes. And then they came in 6-pack. Now they only come as single or in 3-pack. And we have small size, which are for women's shoes, and we have the medium size. There is no large size. I don't know why they call it small and medium, but this is the medium. And in the medium, we can fit low top shoes is no problem, up to size 13, I think. And high top shoes, yes, I'm a size 12, and it's just that they can fit. Size 13, maybe 13 and a half is the limit. But with high top shoes, you can see I have to have them laying down. I think the limit is maybe a pair of, no, not even a pair of Air Jordan 3. Yeah, Air Jordan 3 is just as high as it gets. But Air Force One and low top shoes is no problem fitting right in. But all other shoes, high top shoes, needs to be laying down. And as you can see, I don't have so many shoes that I have problems with. The Ewing 33, they don't fit. You have to have one shoe per box. But back to my old shopping experience with Amazon. Back then they came in 6-pack, and it was only the clear. Now you can choose them with black and clear front. And I prefer those because you want to protect your shoes from sunlight as well as dust and everything else. So if you're starting from new, get the black ones, because I have to have darkening curtains here in my kitchen. so the shoes doesn't get pale or yellowing. But since I already have the old boxes, I decided to get the clear ones again. And that's also the reason why I haven't tried the other boxes, because there is a bunch of very similar boxes out there right now that are both more expensive, like Crepes own boxes. They are quite expensive, but black and with magnet lid, I think. These lids, they break quite easy. The plastic holder lock breaks quite easy, and yeah, the quality isn't great on these. So the China replica boxes is probably as good, but I have tried, I think 12 or 20 of them, I don't know. I have them in my living room, and they are not exactly like this. So you can't mix and match with the replicas and the real ones. So that's why I decided to get the real ones. So these here in Europe, 3 boxes as a package, cost 37 euro, I think, just slightly under 40 euro. So 3 times 4, 12 boxes, cost as much as a pair of Jordans, more or less. And now to the problems with Amazon. I order, as I said, they come in 1 or in 3 packs. So I decided this one to get 4 3-packs, and thought that they had learned from last time, but they didn't. So this, I put them in my cart, pay everything. Then I get 4 draws from the bank, 4 payments, 4 shippings, 4 tracking numbers, 4 or 8 mails, yada yada yada. So when I bought the 600 boxes, back then they came in 6-packs. So the boxes were as big as moving boxes, so double the size of these. And 100 of those big boxes. I have boxes all over in my flat, and 20% of the boxes were damaged. And as you see here, I opened the first one, and one of the 3 wasn't installed correctly. It is fixed now, but still, they aren't cheap, so they should be much higher quality. This is just hard plastic. If you drop them on the floor, they're gonna break. So out of 600 boxes, literally, I counted, I think it was 21% of the boxes were broken, and that's quite a lot. Yeah, 21, yeah, a lot of boxes. 21%, I think it was. So I'm gonna open the rest of them, and I really hope that they are not broken, because Amazon, the last time they killed my bank account, because as I said, 6 packages times 100, they did 100 withdrawals. So the bank called me and told me that my bank account had been hacked. I said, no, it's okay. Every time the bank account was stopped and Amazon was blocked and the bank account was open again, they tried to do the same 100 over again. So it ended up Amazon making like, I don't know, let's say 300 withdrawals. And they had to pay me money back, and they didn't give me the right amount. That thing took me, I think it took me 6 months to get the money back that they had withdrawn too much, and to get new boxes. No, they had to give me money back for the boxes that were broken, and I had to make a new order again for those 21% boxes. So Amazon isn't the ideal place to buy them from, sorry to say. If you're just gonna have 12 like I did now, that's okay. And why I chose 12 is because that's what I can fit in my, that's one rack. My ceiling is lowered, so if I didn't have that, I think I could fit 13 on top of each other. So that's the thing with them. They are stackable like this, so I can move this whole pillar like that, quite easy. So when you're cleaning, that's good. But the boxes, they get yellow by time. And when I did the first big order, I noticed that they must have come from different stores or something, because some of them were very dusty, some of them was yellow, some of them were really clear. And yeah, but this is the first box that had this simple solution for shoes, made for shoes. They are from Container Store, Iris drop front boxes. Nowadays there are a bunch of different other boxes to choose from. I would like to have those with the LED lights. That would be cool. You can connect, like, I don't know how many, but many, and they all light up in the same color at the same time. Super cool. I think you even clap for them to light up and close. So that would be cool, but I don't want to replace all the boxes that I already have. Maybe sometime in the future, if I have different sneaker rooms, maybe I could do it. But at the moment, no. I want everything to match. So yeah, that's it. Iris drop front boxes, something else, Himalaya or whatever, from Amazon. 3 of them in a pack cost just under €40, at least here in Sweden. I have checked Amazon UK, Amazon Germany, and the prices are more or less the same. This time it was from Amazon Sweden, and yeah, it's the same. Last time I ordered from Germany, and that's also one thing that got me a bit pissed. After I paid and everything, the taxes were higher for me because they noticed that I was from Sweden. So when I checked everything and I put it in my cart on the German website, there is one price. And then when I entered my address and everything was clear, all of a sudden there were like 10% more taxes. And that was quite a lot of money for 600 boxes. So yeah, a very long video. Iris drop from boxes. This is what most of us sneakerhead have our shoes in the background. It's mainly because it's easier to store shoes like this, because you can open up and get them. I have literally been afraid for my life, because so many times I have had piles of boxes falling all over me with the standard sneaker boxes. And as you know, when you have the standard sneaker boxes, the boxes on the bottom, they get mushed and they start to get leaning towers everywhere. So this is really cool to have these, but check your options. There are better, there are cheaper options, there are cooler options, there are more expensive options. There are black boxes, you can even get colored boxes. I think the Container Store have them in a couple of different colors, but this is what I like. I would like them to be 100% clear, like some of them are, like this one. Not 100%, but you know what I mean. But these are not. These are more milky. So that's the very long answer to those thousands of questions that I get on Instagram, on YouTube, about the boxes that I have in my background. I will probably put a link in the description where you can order them, but then you're going to end up on the Swedish Amazon site. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'm done with this video now, unless there is any broken boxes, then I'm going to update you again. So I really hope that there are no broken boxes here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Here we already have one box broken. Another box completely messed up. There were 2 boxes that wasn't installed correctly, but this is totally crooked and yeah. So out of 12 boxes, 1 were broken, 1 were completely unusable, and 2 of them were not installed correctly. So I think we're back at those 20% damaged boxes when you order from Amazon. So 4 boxes out of 12. That's even more. That's 25%. I called Amazon right away and told them about the broken boxes, because when I did it on the website, they asked me to ship the broken boxes back. And I didn't know if I'm going to send 2 broken boxes and 1 good box, since they are shipped in 3. But I called them and they were very helpful, and they're going to send me 3 new ones. And I'm gonna wait and see if any of those 3 are broken, and then I'm gonna ship them back 3 of the damaged boxes, or 2 damaged boxes and 1 healthy box. But it's very good that I don't need to ship my boxes until I got the new ones. So far so good, but still there is quite a high percentage of broken boxes when you order these. Just so you know.